Hello students, so till now we have completed the mechanism of hormone actions. Now we are going to see one by one all the endocrine glands. So today we are start with a hypothalamus. So hypothalamus, it is a part of a brain which is present on the floor of the diencephalon, means at the basal part of the brain जो है of the diencephalon it is present the hypothalamus. Yes, अगर हम if we see here in the brain there is a part called as the pituitary gland, and behind that there is a pineal gland, where is the hypothalamus is the part of diencephalon which cannot seen with the in the figure, but it is the part of the diencephalon. So if you see this diagram of the brain, where you can easily see the part of the hypothalamus. Yes, this is the hypothalamus, and here the pituitary gland. This two lobes you can easily see, or this lobe, this lobe this lobe you called as the pituitary gland. Yes, and behind that this is the pineal gland. Yes, so our topic of discussion is hypothalamus. Yes, this is the hypothalamic part, which is the part of the basal part of the diencephalon. Yes, and हाउ मैं आपको यहाँ पे जो पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड है उसके बारे में क्यों बता रही हूँ, तो ये आपको आगे समझेगा, बट यू हैव टू सी कि यहाँ पे जो हाइपोथैलेमस है इट इज अटैच टू दिस पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. यस, so how they can be useful we can see in further. Yes, so hypothalamus, as we see, it is the basal, it is present at the basal part of the diencephalon, and it is help. What is the function of this hypothalamus? So it has the two main function, that it maintain the homeostasis of our body. homeostasis means it maintain, और ये हमारी body में equilibrium maintain करके रखता है. It maintain the body temperature, it maintain the blood pressure, all the other things can be maintained by this hypothalamus. And the next part, or the next function of this hypothalamus is of the releasing of the hormone or the hormone. Yes, so where its main part is in the that it can it can release hormone, or it releasing something means has the releasing factor and it has the inhibitory factor. So hypothalamus has the two function. First, it has to maintain the homeostasis of the body, and it has to control the secretary of the hormone, secretion of the hormones, means it may cause the releasing factor, या तो वो releasing factor को release करेगा या तो वो inhibitory factor को release करेगा. अब one by one हम इन चीज़ों को देखते हैं. Yes, अब hypothalamus है, it is the part of a brain. Yes, it is a part of a brain. So it is a link between the nervous system and the endocrine system. Yes, because it is releasing the hormone, so they called as the neurohormone. Yes, they called as neurohormone, but it also a part of the nervous system. So because of that, it called as a link between the nervous system and the endocrine system. Yes, so जो hypothalamus है, it is a part of the nervous system, but it is releasing the hormone. So because of that, it is a link between the nervous system and the endocrine system. Yes, it is located now. It is located in the floor of diencephalon. Floor of diencephalon, or it is at the basal of the diencephalon. Yes, it is made up of mass of gray matter called the hypothalamic nuclei. It is made up of hypothalamic nuclei, that is a gray matter. Yes, and they secrete the neurosecretory cell which secrete the neurohormone. Yes, so here that the hypothalamus, it is made up of the gray matter called as the hypothalamic nuclei which secretes the neurosecretory cell which secretes the neurohormones, that is mainly called as NH. Yes, so अब हमको यहाँ पे हाइपोथैलेमस के बारे में क्या क्या समझा कि it is a part of brain but it releasing the hormone, so it is called as the neurohormone, and because of this nature it is the link between the nervous system and the endocrine system. Yes, and it is located in the floor of the diencephalon, means it at the base of the diencephalon. It is made up of gray matter called the hypothalamic nuclei, which has secrete the neurosecretory cell which secretes the neurohormone. Yes, means neurosecretory cells जो है वो secrete करेंगे, that secretes the neurohormone. Yes, the main function of the hypothalamus is it help to maintain the homeostasis of our body, means it maintain the equilibrium of our body. Yes, then next function is of the hormone. Yes, it help to control the secretory activity of the pituitary gland by releasing and inhibiting the hormone. मतलब ये क्या कर रहा है, जो pituitary gland है which secretes the hormones, it control the activity of this pituitary gland by releasing factor or by inhibiting factor. Yes, so in the next we will see कि अगर जो pituitary next जो हम देखेंगे the pituitary gland, it is the master gland which is the secretary which secretes all the hormones or control almost all the other endocrine glands. So it is called as the master endocrine gland, or the pituitary gland is the master endocrine gland. But the उसके सिक्रीशन को कौन कंट्रोल करेगा, इट इज द हाइपोथैलेमस. यस, अब हम इसको आगे और देखते हैं. So from the hypothalamus part, the hormone the neurohormone sent to the two और it sent to the pituitary gland. अगर pituitary gland की बात करते हैं तो it is has two lobes, where first is the anterior lobe of pituitary and next is the posterior lobes of pituitary. Yes, so here the neurohormone sent to the anterior lobe of pituitary where they secrete the trophic hormone. यहाँ पे they secretes the trophic hormone जो इंक्लूड करता है प्रोलैक्टिन, growth hormone, gonadotrophic hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotrophic hormone. Yes, so whatever the hormone that is secreted, they will send to the, so first, so there is a basic difference between the secretion and the synthesis. Synthesize मतलब कोई चीज का प्रोडक्शन होना, और वो secretion का मतलब होना कि वो कोई जो हार्मोन है वो उसका जहाँ से वो प्रोड्यूस हुआ है या सिंथेसाइज हुआ है उसको उसके डिस्टिंक्ट प्लेस तक लेके जाना या डिस्टिंक्ट सेल तक लेके जाना. सो दैट इज द सिक्रीशन and synthesis is the production. Yes, so there is a difference between the secretion and synthesis. Secretion means the production, but the synthesis means production. Secretion means जो भी हार्मोन है उसका उस जगह से उसके जो सेल है जहाँ पे उसका एक्शन होना वहां तक लेके जाना, that you call as the secretion. Yes, so here the neurohormones first it goes to the anterior lobe of pituitary or the posterior lobe of pituitary. Here the anterior lobe of pituitary का हमने ये देखे कि they will control, or the hypothalamus will control the secretion of this prolactin, growth hormone, gonadotropin hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenocorticotrophic hormone. Whereas their posterior lobe of pituitary, here the oxytocin and vasopressin, these two hormones, they are synthesized in the hypothalamus. These two hormones, they are synthesized in the hypothalamus and they are secreted by the posterior lobe. मतलब वो जो है दिस टू हार्मोन दैट इज ऑक्सीटोसिन एंड वेसोप्रेसिन जो रहेगा इट इज सिंथेसाइज्ड इन द हाइपोथैलेमस। ये कहाँ सिंथेसाइज होगा? हाइपोथैलेमस, फ्रॉम वेयर इट इज goes to the posterior lobe of pituitary and from where they are secreted. Yes, so here the posterior lobe of pituitary is help in secretion, but they are synthesized in the hypothalamus. They are synthesized in the hypothalamus. Whereas यहाँ पे अगर हम इनकी बातें करेंगे, these hormones they are secreted by the anterior lobe of pituitary and controlled by the hypothalamus. They are controlled by the hypothalamus. Yes, here the oxytocin is the hormone which is required in the induction of labor during pregnancy. It help in the mammary gland और milk production, उस समय ये help करता है in the pregnant woman. Then growth hormone, it help for the normal growth, हमारी इसको help करता है. Yes, it will gonadotrophic hormone, it release or secretes the gonadotrophins. Yes, then gonadotrophic hormone, that is the follicle stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. These are the hormone which are help. So these control the activity of gonads. Okay, so यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे thyroid stimulating hormone which control the activity of the thyroid gland. Yes, so यहाँ पे आप देखेंगे कि these are the hormone which is secreted by this anterior lobe of pituitary, but they are in control of the hypothalamus. Yes, so these are the function of the hypothalamus. So from the book we can easily understand hypothalamus. It is the ectodermal in origin during the embryonic development. So it is the ectodermal part of the embryo from it is origin. It is located at the floor of diencephalon. Its major function of hypothalamus is to maintain the homeostasis. It controls the secretory activity of pituitary gland by the release and inhibiting hormone. Yes, वो कोई चीज़ को रिलीज या उस रिलीजिंग फैक्टर एंड इनहिबिटरी फैक्टर को रिलीज करेगा. यस, इट कंट्रोल द सिक्रेटरी एक्टिविटी ऑफ द पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड की कितना कब उसे सिक्रीट करना है. यस, then all the hormones of hypothalamus are peptide hormone. They are secreted by the neurosecretory cell, so they are called as the neurohormone. The hormones secreted by hypothalamus are the ADH or oxytocin. The ADH is also called as the vasopressin, which is important for the urine output के लिए it is important. Yes, so here the oxytocin and the ADH, it is secreted or synthesized. It is synthesized in the hypothalamus, but it's secreted by the posterior lobe of pituitary. Yes. Now there is a table is given in your book, which is from where you can understand that adrenocorticotrophin releasing hormone. This stimulate the release of ACTH by the anterior pituitary gland. मतलब ये release कहाँ से होगा? It is released from the anterior pituitary gland, but उसको stimulate कौन करेगा? It is the hypothalamus. Yes, so it stimulate this hormone. They stimulate the release of ACTH by the anterior pituitary gland. Then thyrotropin releasing hormone. It stimulate the release of TSH by the anterior pituitary gland. Yes, this hormone it stimulate, ये thyroid stimulating hormone के release को क्या करेगा? ये stimulate करेगा this hormone. Yes, then gonadotropin releasing hormone. This stimulate the pituitary to secrete the gonadotropin, that is follicular stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone. Yes, then prolactin inhibiting hormone, that is prolactastatin, that is it inhibit the प्रोलैक्टिन रिलीज बाय द एंटीरियर पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड। मतलब यहाँ से आप क्या देख रहे हैं कि वो कोई चीज़ जो भी हॉर्मोन्स है उन हॉर्मोन्स के उसके रिलीजिंग मतलब उसके रिलीजिंग फैक्टर या उसके इनहिबिटिंग फैक्टर को क्या कर रहा है, वो कंट्रोल करके रख रहा है। यस, सोमास्टेटिन इट इनहिबिट द रिलीज ऑफ ग्रोथ हार्मोन। Somatotrophin it stimulates the release of growth hormone. Then gastrin releasing peptide, that is the gastrin जो स्टमक में हमारे गैस्ट्रिक जूस रिलीज होते हैं उसमें ये हेल्प करता है। गैस्ट्रिन रिलीजिंग हार्मोन उसको इंड्यूस करेगा। देन गैस्ट्रिन इनहिबिटरी पॉलीपेप्टाइड। सो दीज आर दी hormones which are controlled by the hypothalamus. Yes, and they are released by different anterior pituitary gland or anterior lobe of the pituitary or the posterior lobe of the pituitary. Yes, so this is the function of the hypothalamus. In the next class, we will see the pituitary gland, which is called as the master or the master endocrine gland. So, see you in next class.